nearly the full view of Hurricane Dorian now, the International Space Station, currently 262 statute miles over the southern border of Kentucky, again tracking southeast. This is Mission Control Houston. The International Space Station currently 261 statute miles over the northern border of Georgia, just passing right over Atlanta now. The eye of the storm becoming very clear. That eye right on the western coast of the Grand Bahama Island. Made landfall with the Bahamas just over the weekend as a Category 5 hurricane, now downgraded, as you're seeing now, to a Category 3, as the National Hurricane Center reports as of just a few short hours ago. International Space Station now crossing right over Savannah, Georgia, over into the Atlantic Ocean, again on a southeastern coast. The station itself just north of the storm, getting good views of the eye. That center of the storm over the Grand Bahama Islands. The latest reports of Hurricane Dorian have it as a very slow-moving storm, tracking west and soon to head north and follow the coast of the United States north over the next few days, affecting some of the coastal cities of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina, as well as North Carolina early in the morning on Friday.